Our topic today is primary care. Why is a primary care doctor so important? And so for most patients, that's their first introduction into a health system, whether they have something serious going on or something very simple. It could be urgent care, should be the ED, or they could show up in your office. Tell us why the relationship between a patient and a primary care physician is important.
Well, so one of the main reasons that it's a good idea to establish with a primary care doctor is that relationship that you have with your doctor. And not only is your doctor educated to, ask you specific questions that you might not bring up yourself, say, well, how are you doing? Screen you for depression, screen you, are you smoking? Things that are going to affect your daily life here today, and also, how your health progresses through the future. But also just so you get comfortable with somebody, because a lot of medicine is so personal. And do you want to talk about, some of your personal issues that you're having with when they get bad enough where you have to present to the urgent care or to the emergency room? Or is that something where through your relationship that you could talk about early on with your regular doctor and get ahead of the game as opposed to trying to catch up later on? So that's part of the main reason that the relationship is so important.
Dr. Baltz?
Well, what I was going to say on that too, that's a very good answer, but medicine's difficult now. There's just a lot of difficult things that are going on with medicine. It's from insurances to all of the different tests now, all the preventative tests, and you need someone to kind of explain that to you. And so I feel like that's what a good primary care doctor does. It's someone that it can be a friend, it can be someone in the community, and they're able to explain things. Several specialists nowadays that you go to, and sometimes, you don't know exactly what the specialist is saying. And so you can go back to someone that that you've seen several times in the past and are able to explain things. And I feel like in our practice over at Monette and Leachville, we try to do that. We try to explain things a little bit, and so you know what's going on. And I think that's very important for primary care doctors to do.